Why do I have all these phones here? Let's find out. Well, hello everybody, Koreyexpress2 here, and welcome back to yet a new video on my channel. Before we begin on this particular video, please make sure to hit that sub button, turn that notification bell, follow everything in the description down below, even your video ideas. You can comment on this video or other videos on my channel. You can join today by hitting that join button on my channel here. You can also follow me on TikTok with this video too as well. So without further ado, let's get started. What in the world I'm doing with all these phones here? Well, let me tell you why I have all these phones here. FEMA has not tested their emergency alert system for 3 years. And of course at 2:20 today, they're all going to go off. I think Wi-Fi is available as well to have them go off as well, even 5G. Now, and of course, and I forgot one more thing, that the radio will go off as well, and your TV. I have a radio right now for the emergency alert system. If you have a domestic phone, that's another story, because if you have a domestic phone, if your spouse or whatever don't want to discover that phone and that phone will go off during the testing, you better hide that quick. Otherwise, if you have that phone, then it's going to alert your spouse or whatever that you might get in trouble with. It's going to be another story. So I'm just letting you guys know that. Now, there will be a loud blare on all these phones, so I might put a warning up so you guys will see that all the devices will go off with the tone that is very loud that you guys already know about. I am going to be coming back in a few minutes, and hopefully all these will go off, and hopefully you guys will see the test tones of the emergency broadcast, and hopefully you guys will understand that. So I will see you guys in a little bit, and hopefully this will be a fun little test, even though it's going to be ear raping for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. And of course, if your phone goes off, please leave a comment below, or if you're on TikTok, please leave a comment too, because I want to hear your story about the tone as well. So without further ado, let's start.
This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. The purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities at the federal, state, local, tribal and territorial levels, and to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required by the public.
All my devices are going on.
Esta es una prueba del Sistema Nacional de Alerta Inalámbrica de Emergencia. El propósito es mantener y mejorar las capacidades de alerta y advertencia a nivel federal, estatal, local, tribal y territorial, y evaluar las capacidades de alerta y advertencia pública de la nación. No se requiere ninguna acción por parte del público.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Well, there you have it. The emergency alert system went off. I couldn't catch all my phones went off because I tried to put every phone on my camera as best as I can. It was recording off of my camcorder, so that's why you see this high quality right now. But that was fun. But it's just a test. It wasn't an emergency, so just be aware that the system was just a test for every 3 years for FEMA, and I get to record that for you guys there on the camera, and hopefully I can upload it tonight so you guys will see that. But anyway, Koreyexpress2, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to hit that sub button, turn the notification bell, follow everything in the description down below. It's still going off. So yeah, let me start that again. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to hit that sub button, turn the notification bell, follow everything in the description down below, even your video ideas. You can comment on this video or the videos on my channel. You can hit that follow button on TikTok because I will be uploading to this TikTok as well, because why not upload this to 2 platforms so you guys will see. But anyway, Koreyexpress2, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.